You look happy, but there is tension in the bedroom. Nagging woman, tension in the bedroom. You look bold, but there is tension in the bedroom. Full of ego, but there is tension in the bedroom. A lying husband, tension in the bedroom. A cheating wife, there is tension in your bedroom. But there is tension in the bedroom. Full of ego, there is tension in the bedroom. A lying husband, tension in the bedroom.
Me,
A cheating wife,
Victoria,
tension in your
Erika.
bedroom. A lazy
It's an offense make married woman become a politician. Only single woman who now want make it become politician. Even if I go conference, I go rally. I must make sure that I come back, even if na midnight. I am so diligent in my marriage. I love my marriage. Wetin come be my offense make una tell me? Why deserve this treatment?
so much happening, tension in every home. Don't trust her. Oh yes, I smell causing
Even Remi Tinubu wey be her mama, she still dey married. I don tire. I don't know. I be listening to heaven.
Abeg, no dey even work.
No touch me. No even come close to me. Come close to me. I go tell you how they dey funny, you wicked man. Wicked man. Don't follow me, that's I don't want make you don't follow me. Wicked man. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. You're a wicked man. You're a wicked man. In Mojafo. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Wicked man, that's what you are. What did I do?
tension everywhere.